Hello and welcome to Crescent Holiday Homes, your dedicated partner in luxury short-term rentals across Dubai. We specialize in transforming beautiful homes into high-performing holiday rentals, offering seamless property management and exceptional guest hospitality. As proud Airbnb superhosts, we combine premium staging, dynamic pricing strategies, and round-the-clock guest services to ensure every stay is 5-star rated. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the short-term rental space, we help you unlock higher returns with greater control and zero hassle. More and more Dubai homeowners are turning to us to escape the limits of long-term leases. And you can too. Own a property? Let's talk. More income, more flexibility, and total peace of mind start with Crescent Holiday Homes. Today we're thrilled to show you around this elegant and modern one-bedroom apartment in Damac Voleo, located in the heart of Business Bay, one of Dubai's most dynamic urban neighborhoods. This beautifully designed home is perfect for both business and leisure travelers, offering a stylish retreat just minutes from downtown Dubai and the iconic Burj Khalifa. Step inside and discover a spacious apartment, a well-maintained one-bedroom with 2 bathrooms, thoughtfully designed to provide both comfort and functionality. Let's start with the bedroom, your private haven in the heart of the city. This well-appointed room features a full glass window that frames a beautiful city view, filling the space with natural light during the day and sparkling skyline views at night. It also includes ample storage space with large wardrobes to keep your belongings organized. The bedroom also comes with an attached full bathroom, designed with a stylish dark theme that adds a touch of elegance and provides a comfortable, luxurious experience with modern fittings. Moving into the living area, you'll find a cozy sofa set in a space with warm, inviting ambiance, perfect for relaxing after a long day. A flat-screen TV adds to the comfort, making it easy to unwind with your favorite shows. Right beside the living space, there's a stylish 4-seater dining table, ideal for meals or casual conversations. This is the kitchen, fully equipped with all essential kitchenettes and modern appliances, making cooking a breeze. The kitchen also opens up to a balcony. This is our balcony, featuring a comfortable seat and a table, the perfect spot for relaxation and enjoying the views. This is the second bathroom, featuring modern fixtures and a functional layout, offering added convenience for guests. This property also features an open-air swimming pool, including a dedicated kids' pool, offering a perfect place to unwind or enjoy a swim. Additionally, there's a fully equipped gym, providing everything you need to stay active during your stay. Thank you for joining us on this exclusive tour. Experience luxury and vibrant Dubai living in one perfect location. Book your stay today and create unforgettable memories. We look forward to welcoming you